Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get titanium alloy in Astroneer. This is going to be especially useful for crafting things like the large shuttle and for crafting the nanocarbon alloy. So to begin, first of all we'll need these three materials, which is graphene, nitrogen and titanium. Titanium can be gathered from gathering titanite, which is a titanium material, on planets like Visanya, where you can find it in mountains, or in a glacier where you can find it inside of caves. These are the two planets where you can find titanite, and it is not that hard to find. It is going to look like these greenish spikes sticking out of the ground or inside of caves. And then you can just smelt it inside of the smelting furnace to get titanium. The second material is nitrogen, and nitrogen can be gathered on the starting planet, Silva, using the atmospheric condenser, where you'll just set the setting, the recipe for nitrogen, which is the 4th position, and just click the green button to get nitrogen out of it. Nextly, and lastly, we'll need graphene, where graphene is made from graphite and hydrogen fuel. As you can see, it is made inside of the chemistry lab, and hydrogen fuel is made from ammonium, which can be found on every planet, as well as graphite. Now, once you've gathered all the materials, you can go ahead and go to a chemistry lab, select the titanium alloy recipe, which is going to be the second to last position, and put inside the titanium, nitrogen, and graphene, or have it in your inventory, and then just press the green button to get the titanium alloy. So this is pretty much all. How to get the titanium alloy in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.